Hi everyone, it's Adam here again with another 2-minute wellness tip. Now before, in another of my videos, I showed you shoulder press. Simple, basic, overhead shoulder press. And I had some questions from people asking me, well, what about shoulder injuries? Obviously, you would talk to your physician or a sports medicine doctor, a professional, about how to work around injuries. But a great way that I've found to enable you to work around injuries and still get a shoulder press in is to do something called an Arnold press. And it's called an Arnold press for a reason. It was created by Arnold Schwarzenegger. And you would use a lighter weight than your shoulder press. And you would start with your palms facing backwards. Now these are pretty wide dumbbells. You can see my hands are quite wide, but preferably they would be close together. But I'm going to start here with my palms facing backwards, keep my hands as close together as possible as I slowly press up and rotate in a corkscrew fashion overhead, and then as I come down, slowly rotate in the opposite direction. Palms are back, thumbs out, external rotation, slowly pressing, thumbs in, palms facing forward, internal rotation. Okay, external rotation, internal rotation, external rotation. When I'm done, weights back on my thighs, and then again safely doing the squat with a straight back to put your dumbbells down on the floor. So that again is a great way to get a shoulder press in, but less stress on the rotator cuffs as you go up overhead. Enjoy, and hope to see you for the next video.